Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. This is Anusha. Today I'm going to teach you about multiplying one digit number by a three digit numbers using area model. We are doing area model. In the previous video, we did multiply one digit number by a two digit numbers. Today I'm going to teach you about multiplying one digit by a three digit numbers. For example, 2 times 324. Three-digit number, right? So we will make the big box into three boxes because it's a three-digit number. 324 is 300 plus 20 plus 4. In place values, 324 is 300 plus 20 plus 4. We are multiplying it by 2. Okay. 300 times 2 is 2 times 3 is 6, and then we have two zeros, so it is 600. 20 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and then 1 0. 2 times 4 is 8. Now we have to add all the three boxes to get our final answer. 640 and 8, which is 648. Okay. Now second example. 492 times 3. 492, we can write it as 490 and 2. Now we are multiplying it by 3. 400 times 3 is 1200. 90 times 3. 3 times 9 is 27 and 1 0. 3 times 2 or 2 times 3, which is 6. Now we will add all the numbers. So 6, 7, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1. So 492 times 3 is equal to 1476. Okay. Third example, 921 times 5. We will make into three boxes because it is a three-digit number. 900, 921 is 920 and 1. So we are multiplying by 5. 900 times 5 is 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 9 is 45. Now 20 times 5. Again, 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 2, 10. The third box is 5 times 1, which is 5. We have to add all the three numbers. 4500 is the first box answer, and then 100 and 5. 6 and 4. 5, 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 4. 921 times 5 is 4605. Okay. Now, the fourth example is 765 times 7. 765, we will write it as 760 and then 5 because you're multiplying it by 7. So 700 times 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 7 is 49. Now 60 times 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 6 is 42. 5 times 7. Okay, because the third box has 5 and 7, which is 35. Now we will add all the 3 boxes. So we'll get 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 9 plus 4 is 13. And 4 plus 1 is 5. 765 times 7 is equal to 5355. Okay. The last example, fourth example, 829 times 9. Sorry, this is the fifth example. 829 is 800 plus 20 plus 9, and you're multiplying it by 9. 800 times 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 8 is 72. 20 times 9. 9 times 0 is 0. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 9 is 81. Now in area model, we will add all the three answers in the box. 7,200, 180 and 81. 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. When you get a carry, you'll write on the top of the next number. Now you will add all the three numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4 and 7. 829 times 9 is equal to 7,461. I hope I gave you a clear idea about multiplying one digit number by a 3-digit number using area model. Thank you so much for watching.